What if I give you an easy idea for a happy gut? Will you follow it? Well, you'll find out after the end of today's video. Welcome, health lovers. Today in our channel we're delving into the fascinating realm of digestive harmony, natural solutions for a happy gut. Now you might be asking, why is digestive harmony a natural solution for a happy gut? The answer is simple. Picture your digestive system as the conductor of a symphony, orchestrating a harmonious balance within your body. When everything works together seamlessly, just like a well-coordinated team, it leads to digestive harmony. Think of it as having the perfect playlist for your well-being. So, without further delay, let's embark on our journey for a happy gut. Understanding your gut. Before we dive into the solutions for a happy gut, it's crucial to comprehend the intricacies of your digestive system. Scientifically known as gastrointestinal tract, your gut is home to trillions of microorganisms forming the gut microbiota. This diverse ecosystem of bacteria, fungi, and viruses plays a pivotal role in digesting food, absorbing nutrients, and regulating the immune system. A balanced and varied gut microbiota is essential for overall health. However, factors such as stress, changes in schedules, and shifts in diet can disrupt this delicate balance, leading to gut dysbiosis. This imbalance may result in digestive issues like bloating, constipation, or diarrhea. Understanding your gut sets the stage for implementing effective strategies to maintain digestive harmony in your life. By incorporating mindful practices, you can ensure that your digestive system remains in harmony throughout your adventures. Stay hydrated. Amidst the thrills of your global escapades, one simple yet vital strategy for a happy gut is to stay hydrated. Dehydration not only affects your skin but also hampers digestion, leading to potential discomfort such as constipation. Ensure you keep a steady intake of water and consider incorporating hot herbal teas or lukewarm water into your routine. This effortless step will not only keep you refreshed during your travels and busy schedules, but also support the smooth functioning of your digestive system, promoting overall well-being in your regular routines. Eat diversely. Embracing dietary diversity is a timeless and universal piece of advice for fostering overall health. Whether at home or on the move, incorporating a variety of foods is key to supporting a well-balanced gut microbiota. Explore different fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and proteins regularly to ensure a rich intake of essential nutrients. This practice not only enhances the flavor and enjoyment of meals, but also contributes to a resilient digestive system. So make it a habit in your daily life, recognizing that a diverse and nourishing diet is a fundamental aspect of holistic well-being. Mindful munching. Practicing mindful munching is a timeless approach that extends beyond specific situations. By savoring each bite, chewing food thoroughly, and paying attention to your body's hunger, give fullness cues to your stomach. This mindful eating habit promotes digestive ease and reduces the likelihood of overindulgence, ensuring a content gut. By adopting this approach consistently, you not only enhance your appreciation for meals, but also contribute to the overall well-being of your digestive system, making it a valuable practice in your everyday life. Prioritize sleep. In our fast-paced lives, where daily routines are often reshaped by constant busyness and fluctuating schedules, it becomes crucial to incorporate prioritized sleep consistently. Amidst the demands of today's dynamic lifestyle and potential disruptions caused by travel across different time zones, maintaining a dedicated sleep routine is paramount. Despite the myriad challenges we navigate, placing emphasis on consistent and sufficient sleep remains a cornerstone of overall well-being. Make it a steadfast part of your daily regimen, acknowledging that quality rest is an indispensable investment in your health and vitality. Be selective with food. Opting for a selective approach to food can significantly benefit your gut health. Reduce the intake of fatty foods like chips and burgers, as they can be harder to digest and may lead to stomach pain and heartburn. Instead, incorporate more lean meat and fish into your diet, opt for skimmed or semi-skimmed milk, and choose grilling over frying to lighten your stomach's workload. Additionally, be mindful of spicy foods, as they can trigger heartburn and digestive discomfort for some individuals. If you experience issues, consider limiting or avoiding spicy foods to promote digestive well-being. More than these, being conscious of allergies or triggers is vital for a content gut. For example, acidic foods can trigger stomach issues, so exercise caution. By adhering to these simple steps, achieving a happy gut becomes effortlessly attainable. Thank you for joining, and kindly share this with everyone you know to bolster their gut health. Remember to comment. Will you commit to it?